Hey, bee family. I love you.
Sit down and emotions feel like I never did before.
Hey B family, this one has to go brush his hair and brush his teeth and shave his face. We're getting ready to go.
Face to go to the beach.
So we'll see if he shaves his face or not.
By we'll see, does that mean you're going to do it? Okay.
Where are you going, to the beach? It's a beach?
We have everything.
No, beep beep. Chummy, where are you, Chummy?
The beach.
At the beach. Emmy?
I want to go on my
Emmy! Hi!
No, let's go back home, right?
See the water?
Ready to leave?
Yeah? Yeah, so we made it to the beach. We're in Ocho Rios. Or, wait, where are we? In Ocho Rios, sorry. We're in Ocho Rios.
Oh, you made me take off my hat. Why is it?
Chum Chum, come sing a song about the beach for mommy.
Beach is fun. Beach is great. There's fish and there's always great. Two beaches in a day. Woo! Beaches in a day. Tiny beach jacket.
Emmy, you like in the water? You're having fun? Emmy! You're just chilling and relaxing. Whoa, wait! Whoa! I just want to make sure we have all the ports locked properly, you know.
Woo! With your mommy. Hi, Chummy. Hold Emmy. Look, Chummy. Swim. Woo! Mommy and her Chummy. Where are you? At the beach.
At the beach.
Mm-hmm. Are you having a good time, Chummy?
You look like so.
Emmy can't bother.
You vexed?
Emmy can't bother with
Let's ride away. Let's ride. Let's ride. Woo!
Alright, Chummy. Swim, my baby. Swim. No, don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. You can't. You're on the floor. Don't panic. Don't panic. See, you're doing it. See? Yay, Chummy. You're doing such a good job. You're doing such a good job, Chummy. Wow. You gonna show Daddy how you swim again?
Daddy. Yeah.
Ready? Swim. Show Daddy how you swim.
Whoa.
Good job. Whole family is here today, enjoying the water. And we have our own scuba diver. You know Sam disappear? You know Sam disappear? Matthew, when him gone there a while ago. No, you disappear, you know? So if something coming in this water, I don't see him till he reach, you know?
Because it can't. It's dark.
Look, go again. And then it disappears completely.
Yeah.
Watch him go frighten me.
I think he's out there. Where is he?
He might go frighten. You know?
He's out there.
You going to take it on the water? Oh gosh. Need our money back. Smash up first try.
Oh, first time for you?
Going on, no, underwater.
Just relax, relax, relax. When the water comes to your face, you hold your breath. Okay? You hold your breath. And stop breathing. You go. Okay?
Have to close your mouth.
Life lesson, right? Yeah. Close your mouth. Don't drink the water. So it's just us and a family way over there. Have the beach to ourselves. Vlogging. Tell him, this is Jamaica. What is it? I live where you vacation.
Yeah.
So them saying it.
Yeah. I live where you vacation. Always nice. You hear me?
Water hurt my throat.
Go to Dada. Go to Dada.
Swim,
Swim to your daddy. Swim to your daddy.
Swim. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Good. Come on. Swim with your hands.
Go to your daddy.
You almost there. What you doing? Swimming in slow motion?
Whoa, feel the cold water. The cold water nice, so you know.
This was a good idea.
Get her. Almost under.
You can slow. You can try.
Ui! Like crab or something in there. Come. Crab or something in there. Come.
Floating away from the stuff.
No man, it tough while ago. That's not seaweed.
Maybe step on the seat.
Yeah.
Hey, see, I record me. And it should feel something sit there. And you have the camera now, walk up and sit down, mash Stop screaming, stop screaming.
Show mommy, what do you have?
What's that?
Seaweed.
You got seaweed. You gonna eat it?
No.
It looks delicious.
Throw it away. Throw it away.
It looks delicious. Bye, seaweed.
Bye bye.
It's gone. It's gone.
I got a little one.
Fun day out in Ocho Rios with the family. I'm such a vlogger now.
We don't even finish make the vlogger, you know. I'm such a vlogger now.
So we woke up, Liam did school online, and then we got ready. Took an hour drive out, and now we're here, having the time of your life, relaxing. Yeah, they're in the back. Alright, so we just got done with the beach. Heading to go and eat.
Tamarind ball.
Alright. What's happening? And duck. What happened? You alright? You alright? I'm 14.
Ready?
Alright. Let me get the food.
Yeah. Over there. Ocho Rios Direct Center. This one there. Corona time. Yeah. Let's see if we can get no. Alright. Wanna open and sell it? Yeah. I have to wait a whole hour for the food? No. Alright. Let's do it. I them up. the menu. Yes, order.
Thank you. I'm gonna pick up straight up the
Okay, thank you. So I drop it in my pocket. It just drop right out. No, it just pull out of the receipt. Walk over here, so. What's your banana? Let's see what I'll go on here. Hello? Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, what's over here? Banana, plantain. Let me go more plantain cane. Waiting. Oh, yes, food. Oh, the pork, alright. What is
pick up the juice.
Yeah, down there by the bar. Alright, thank you. What get my things? Ready for eat? I know him, ma. As soon as this will come here with the bag, them. Eat. Okay, two, what drink you want?
Pepsi.
Yeah, I have Pepsi. Pepsi. Yeah, thank you. Ready. Then it's eat on long drive back. Eat on the car. So eat on the car, then long drive back. Ready. Back in the car. This one, escape artist come out. That's how the beer is the pork.
Sweet potato fries, alright.
Yeah, I figure you want fries. I got 4 festival.
And sandwich wrap up.
No. Oh, no, that's chicken. It's jerk chicken. So all of our pork in here, try out one. This is the half pound. Oh, half pound, little bit, you see? Exactly.
Oh man. See there, the jerk pork. More? You want to eat some?
Then wait with the bone and then take it out.
Yeah, eat. So we're gonna enjoy this food. Yeah, so we made it back home in one piece. Thank God. Kids had a great time. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today at the beach. I'm gonna close out the vlog today. We're tired and it was really a fun day though.